Alright, welcome to week 19, assignment 2. We are going to be creating a 17 slide PowerPoint. I am going to do this tutorial using the downloaded version of PowerPoint. So if you can do this part on the online version if that's what you have. So you need to open up PowerPoint wherever it is if you're going to do the online version. If you're doing the downloaded version, if you go to the start key in the corner and you go down to P, you should have PowerPoint there. It's going to open up. We're going to just create a blank presentation for right now. And like I said, we were going to do 17 slides. So this is one slide. You see it has a 1 and you have one slide here. And then it will ask you what you want to do. So for this one, we are going to call it the parts of speech. And then over here, you put your name. Okay, pretty simple. If you want to put colors, shapes, anything on this page, you're more than welcome to, but you do not have to for this assignment. This assignment is just to do basic slides, and then you're going to insert text and you're going to insert pictures. So now to insert a new slide, you go up here to insert new slide, and then you can choose what you want it to look like. Okay, so I am going to choose the title and content. So now you can see I have 2 slides. So on this one, I am going to put the word noun, and then you need to put the definition. You may look it up online. If you do not know them, look them up online, okay? But hopefully a noun, everybody knows that a noun is a person, place, or thing. Okay? So there you go. There's what needs to be on here. If you want to start playing around, because we've done this in Word, if you go to Home, you can center it. Same thing with this. If I wanted to put my cursor there and hit, I can right side, okay, but that kind of looks weird, so I'm just going to center it. All right, now we're going to do the next one. So you're going to go to new slide. Okay, if you hit new slide, if you notice, it comes up with the exact same slide type as it did the time before. If you wanted to change it, you have to click the little down arrow and you can go ahead and do that. For what we're doing right now, this will be fine. So we are going to put 2 examples of a noun. All right, so what I want you to do is come up with 2 examples. So we can have a person, place, or thing. So I'm going to go with, everybody kind of knows what persons are, so I'm going to use monument. You use something other than this. I do not want you to use monument. I want you to give me 2 examples of a noun. I'm giving you my examples. Do not use my examples. Okay? And then I'm going to go down a little bit, and I am going to put in a television. Both of these are examples of a noun. So now what you would do is you will go to the internet, and you can put in whatever it is. I'm going to click on images. I'm going to find a monument that I like. I'm going to right click on top of it and hit copy image. I'm going to go back down here to where it says PowerPoint. I'm going to click and I'm going to paste. I will make it, nope, hold on. Okay, so we're going to make this box smaller, and then we are going to click someplace in the white over here and hit paste. So now you can change the size of it, and it does not affect the actual writing. And then we're going to go over here and we're going to do the same thing again, and we're going to put in TV, and it's still under images, and you can pick whichever one you want. I'm okay with whatever you're choosing, as long as when I look at it, I know that it is an example of that part of speech. So now I'm going to go over here. I'm going to click someplace in the white area. I'm going to right click and say paste. And now I can move it around. Now you saw that I kind of got into a different place. All you have to do is hit Control Z and it undoes whatever the last thing is. So if you get really lost, you can go ahead and hit Control Z. Okay, so now I have 3. Now what you would have to do is continue going on with the other 7 types of parts of speech, and then have 2 examples of each one. So the next one would be a new slide, and this one would be a verb, and then you would make a new slide and it would be 2 examples. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And if not, have a great day and a good week, and I hope to see you soon.